Hello guys, in this video, let's discuss about basic concepts or entities in Azure Cosmos Database, and we will try to understand these by comparing the similar entities in relational databases. So in SQL Server or Oracle, that is in relational database, we have this server. So first we create server, and only after we have created server, we can create one or more databases in that server. So similarly, in Azure Cosmos Database, we will first create Cosmos DB account, and only after we have created this DB account, we can create single or multiple databases in that DB account. Then again, in relational database, we can create database in that server. So similarly, in Cosmos Database as well, we can create a database in this DB account. Then in relational database, we can create one or more tables in a database, right? So in Cosmos Database, we can create container. So a table is called a container, or we can also call it as a collection as well. So in Cosmos Database, we will create one or more container or collections in a database. Now in relation database, we can add a row or a record in a table, and in Cosmos Database, we call it as a document. So we can add documents or items in a container. Now there are a couple of important concepts in Cosmos Database, that is partition key and throughput. As of now, we'll just have an overview of these concepts, but in our upcoming videos, we will discuss this in well detail. So first we have this partition key. So it is used to equally distribute data in a container, and the data gets distributed in logical partitions. And because we have this partition key, and because data is distributed in logical partition, it's really fast to retrieve that data. And that's why, Cosmos Database, it can handle huge amount of data and performance is really fast. And then second, we have throughput. So consider throughput as a performance. So more throughput we have, that means better is the performance of a Cosmos Database. So that's it guys, and again we'll cover each of these concepts in detail in our upcoming videos.